Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. It is the first of the month, which means that we have new things for my members, and it is April. So if you're rewatching this, this is what came out in April 2021 for all of my members. We come out with new stuff every single month for my members. It is an $8 a month crafting community that we would love to have you a part of if you have not joined. But if you have joined, all of the stuff we're about to talk about is for you, and I cannot wait to see what you guys make with the new files. We had so much fun with last month's files. So first things first, the first thing that is launching this month is Mystery Box. The mystery box will be out and I will be crafting with it in our Monday lives and other times, but there were a very limited supply of them. So if they have already sold out, you guys will not want to miss the next one, but follow along this month just to see what was in it and how we're going to use it and all the fun things. Sublimation characters. You guys loved the princesses so much that I instantly had to start designing some characters. So I did. We've got all the classic characters, the same kind of graphic tee style that we did the princesses. So I'm living for them. They are so cute. I'm wearing the Cruella one right now that I sneak peeked a ton last month. But we have Marie, we have Hercules, we have a bunch in there. So check those out because you do not want to not have these on your everything because they are so fun. SVG Cuttables is at it again. We have the Mother's Day bundle ×2. There are 2 Mother's Day bundles for you guys to use. These are so incredibly fun for Mother's Day. Get your stuff ready because we're gonna be making some really cool stuff for Mother's Day. I even have a video coming out, ideas to use paint for Mother's Day, and you guys will not want to miss out on some of these files because they are all available to you guys. We have an entire new line of Homeline paint coming out with a Paint 101 series. I'm gonna be teaching you guys all things chalk paint, how to use chalk paint, how to stencil with chalk paint, how to make chalkboards out of chalk paint. So many really cool things and techniques that I didn't even know I could do until I started dabbling with it, but I hope that it inspires you. And we have 15 new Homeline colors, making a grand total of 20 Homeline colors. And if you want more info on chalk paint, you're gonna wanna watch that series. I also have a Design With Me Silhouette 101 series coming out that is all design and all silhouette studio. So if you've been interested in silhouette studio, make sure to check that out on YouTube because that will be hitting the channel pretty soon. We have a ton of files that I'm gonna be showing you how to convert and turn into really cool stuff in Silhouette Studio. 100 new patterned HTV and vinyl. 100. That means 200, but 100 new patterns, and you can get them in heat transfer vinyl and vinyl. If you guys didn't know, we have the most patterned HTV and vinyl on the market, and we're not stopping. We're coming out with more and more and more, but this April we launched 100 new patterns. We also launched a few new exclusive patterns that are for our influencers, like Corinne Blackstone came out with her own designs, and I cannot wait to share with you guys the projects that you can do with our patterned HTV and vinyl. Get ready because we're gonna be crafting with this stuff like crazy. Clip art. I know that sublimation is like the new jam, and I cannot wait to share with you how we're gonna take some of the clip art that is available since it's been growing with our member files and turn that into really adorable sublimation designs, custom designs that you can sell if you're a sublimation designer. Lots of really, really awesome things. But this month we have 3 new clip art bundles. We have the spring clip art bundle, the floral frames clip art bundle, and a flowers bundle, which flowers go so well with everything spring, but then they also go super cute with a lot of different designs. Our featured character of the month is Bambi. I want to see what you guys are doing with our Bambi bundle. There is some really cute stuff in there that would work well for Mother's Day, but we are launching 2 sticker sheets for April that are Bambi inspired. Last but not least, we have patterned sublimation sewing patterns. That is a tongue twister, but I am so excited for these, so I had to launch with what our heart's desire started with. So I have patterned Mickey ears, patterned perfect bows, patterned headbands, and patterned scrunchies. So what these are you print them out and they are ready to sublimate onto fabric and sew. You don't have to cut out a pattern. You don't have to use your Cricut. You don't have to do anything. You literally just print them, sublimate them, sew them, and you are good. I will have a couple videos on both of those, but I will come out with more patterns as these ideas grow in here, and I will do more videos on how to use them, but we will also be doing a lot of them live. If you're a business member, which the business membership is still closed, it will open next month for 1 week only. So the first month of May, so just putting that in your calendar. If you're not a business member yet and you want to be one, make sure we will announce it in the What's New May. However, Zooms this month are still same time. Wednesdays at 10 a.m. PST, we have Zoom topics. We're talking about all the things business. We have dived deep into some really fun topics, and it's just a great time for you to Q&A it up with me and me to learn more about your business and possibly find out ways we can partner together. It's just a really awesome time. That is it. I hope you guys enjoy April. It's gonna be a fun time over here. I cannot wait to paint things with you and make patterned things with you and do all the things with you live. So again, make sure notifications are on because I might pop up on YouTube. So click the bell and the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. That would be weird. And then amazon.com/shop/Auntie Tay, or there's a link in the description or on my Amazon, everywhere, on my Instagram. Click the follow button. That way you get the notification whenever I'm live, because you never know, I might sneak up on you. All right, I love you guys. I will see you guys the next time I see you.